Let's get straight to it. 2012 Cadillac CTS. This is the 3.0 liter engine. So it's a simple flathead to get these up. And then you can pull this right here out of that. And we can set this to the side. And now we can see right down here clearly. Okay, so once we get this tube off, now we can see better down here. So realistically, you can actually get that belt off without removing this. But if you remove this, it will be much easier. And also it's necessary for me to remove this so I can show you what it looks like down here. So there goes your tensioner for it right there. That is your tensioner. So that's your tensioner pulley. Right there is your AC pulley. This is your power steering pulley. So you can see the belt goes over the power steering, down around the AC pulley, then around the crank here, over and back around the tensioner. And then it goes from the tensioner pulley all the way down to the alternator right down there at the end. Back up around to the top of the water pump. This is the water pump right here. And then it goes straight over there, back around again to the power steering pump right here. So that is basically how the belt is routed. So this is a 1/2 inch drive. So I'm going to use a 1/2 inch wrench. I'm gonna get this in there. So in order to loosen this, I have to turn this wrench clockwise in order to loosen this. So I gotta pull up on it, and you can see right there, the belt is loosening. So I can reach in here and pull the belt off. So right there, I'm pulling it off of the water pump. Let's see, I'm gonna also pull it off of the power steering and then release that. And now the belt is completely loose. And I can go ahead and pull this belt off of all the pulleys. Just like that. So you can look at that, see why we're changing this belt today. Look at all those cracks on that belt. All right, so when getting the new belt in, I like to start with this one right here on the tensioner pulley. So you want the rib side up, so you got to go up and under. So you want that rib side to be up there, and then from there we're going to go all the way over to the left where the alternator is, and then back up to the water pump. And then from the water pump on the left, all the way over to the right where the power steering is. Over there. Then down around the AC compressor. And then loop this part back around the crank here. So I have all of the pulleys on except for the crank. So I have to lift this way clockwise to get this to loosen, and I can pull this belt right here above the crank, and the belt will be completely on. So just like that, that belt is routed on, and that's it. All right, let's get this piece here back on. Just that easy, and let's put this part in here. Now let's tighten up these two hose clamps, and that is it. That is how you replace the serpentine belt on this vehicle.